Boom. That's my Monster Slash on at Lake of the Woods. Wintertime. This was taken back in January. And the lake is frozen over, obviously. Look at all the snow. Look at that snow just pushed around everywhere. I'm talking to myself. That's who I'm talking to. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, it's my Monster Slash around the lake. Super fun rig. Not bulletproof, however, you know, I gotta watch what how I land and stuff like that. But she goes on the Hobby Wing SC8 ESC and Castle 2260 kV motor. It's a Chinese brand motor. It's a knockoff, but it still goes. Good enough for me, anyways. Running on 3S. Anyways, I'll stop yapping and you guys can enjoy the video. Check out my review of the Hot Bodies dust cover that's installed. You can't see it because it's underneath the body, but the dust cover is designed to keep out dust and snow. So watch it, watch the rest of the video, and you'll see a little review. Does it keep the snow out? Well, you'll have to see. Check it out. Oh no, it's broken. What ended up happening here was the right rear drive shaft, the pin that holds the drive shaft, snapped and is not being driven by the rear diff anymore. So, thanks, hon, for coughing into the microphone. But anyways, so yeah, it's kind of crappy what happened, but quick fix. I just put in the old Traxxas drive shaft, which cannot handle full throttle on a 3S with a 1/8 motor. Okay, what it looks like is this. Yeah. It's not. Looks like the pin that holds this had come off from the transmission. So, oh, actually no. You know what it looks like? All I need to do is it looks like it just backed out. So I can actually. Or did I grenade the rear end? Yeah, no, I grenaded the rear end. I don't know. It's back to the drawing board. It was fun nonetheless. True test. Okay. Just went through a battery pack. Oh, looks like a cracked part of my body. Bad landing. It's about minus 15 degrees Celsius right now. snow is in here. Oh, not a whole lot. I mean, just through the front, there's a little bit of gap here. That was expected, but it's not completely covered in snow. The speed control is completely free of snow, and yeah, not bad. Let's look at the back. The back, hardly any snow, because I mean this part is like a garter here, if you want to call that, elastic. So now it's time to turn this off. We don't drain the battery anymore. So yeah, pretty impressed with this so far. And you know, it's good because you don't build up a whole bunch of snow inside and weighs down your vehicle, weighs down your rig. Oh yeah, shocks are great. These came off of HPI Vorza Flux buggy. These shocks are great. I have 60 weight oil in here right now. Action's a little bit slow, so for the cold weather I think I'm gonna switch it out to maybe 30, so it gets, look at that, it's pretty thick in there, but yeah, I'm gonna thin it up so it can better absorb the shocks. Awesome. Making a ice skating